Hello, my name is Dan from PIRCH, and this is our executive chef, Kimberly. Today we'll be featuring the Evo Grill. We could cook just about anything outside on it. Chef Kimberly, what are you going to be preparing today for brunch?
So today I'm doing a nice brunch. So my favorite thing about brunch is you get a little bit of a sweet and savory, and the Evo Grill is perfect for that. You can actually cook just about anything. Like he was saying, the grill is good for sauteing, braising, flat top cooking, pan fry, roast, steam, and toast bread. You can even bake bread on it. And one of my favorite things to do with kids is actually pop popcorn on it. So since we are doing a little savory and a little sweet brunch today, what I'm actually going to do is some ricotta pancakes today.
Chef, what are some other things that you cook on the grill?
Oh, I love to do like a nice smoked chicken on there. You can actually use wood chips on there. I love cooking fish on that because you get a really nice crust on the fish. Let's see what else. I love doing some naan bread with some curry in the middle. It's great. You can just have people come up and serve themselves some curry, have the naan bread cooking on the sides, and you just pick up some nice fresh hot bread. It's wonderful. You just, like I said, you can just do about anything. Anything you can do inside your house, you can do on the Evo Grill.
One of the neat parts about the grill is you can cook all of it at the same time. Because chef, there's two different heating elements on there. How does that work?
There is. So the way that works is there's two individually heated concentric burners. So what that is you can actually control the heat in the middle and the outside. You could boil in the middle, and then you could have like a nice kind of like a low to medium heat on the outside and cook more delicate things like eggs, toast some bread. I'll be doing the pancakes on the outside because I don't want those to get too burnt. And then my blueberry compote is going to go in the middle. Get some little lemon zest on here. These are lemon ricotta pancakes. These are one of my favorite pancakes to cook. The smell is amazing. You could actually get this Evo installed inside your house as well too if you want to have that as a little entertainment piece.
So one of the amazing things about PIRCH is you can come and visit Kimberly in her kitchen to see her prepare all these wonderful things on all of our outdoor grills as well as our other appliances. Kimberly, are you ready to prepare the pancakes?
Yeah, let's go. The surface is actually made of black cold rolled oil seasoned steel, which actually means that it already comes seasoned and ready for you to go as soon as it's delivered to your home. But I like to use a little oil on this and make sure my stuff don't stick. Just gonna put a little oil on top and just spray it down.
Chef, how long does it take usually to heat it up?
It takes about, I like to turn on a good 20 minutes before you actually start cooking. You really need that still to get nice and hot. As you can see, the middle is steaming. It's a little hotter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start with the pancakes. All right. Nice little round pancakes on there. And I'm also going to crack some eggs. I'm going to use a little bit of grapeseed oil on here. As you can see, that oil just kind of drips down, so you're not going to have your eggs just sitting on the oil, which is a good thing.
Chef, do you ever have it where there's two cooks at the same time since it's rounded on both sides?
A little Benihana style thing. It's great for entertaining. I know a lot of people love having this outdoors and have everyone just kind of sitting around. Hear that sizzle. It's nice and hot. All right, so I have my little blueberry compote right here. I'm actually going to put it in the middle. Squeeze a little bit of orange juice. There's a little sugar in there. Just a really simple blueberry compote that's going to go on top of your pancakes.
Chef, can we boil things on the Evo Grill?
Of course, you could actually boil pasta on there. So if you want to do a pasta, you could boil your pasta directly on there while maybe you're roasting some tomatoes on the outside, and then go ahead and take that inside and give it a nice little whirl in the blender. So you can go ahead and flip these pancakes. These are beautiful pancakes. So I like my eggs over easy, so that's what we're having today.
So, Chef, you're demonstrating both temperatures on because inside is a higher temperature than the outside. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. So right now you can hear that orange juice boiling a little bit, and then we have our eggs on the outside. So, you know, eggs are super delicate. You can't have super high heat or else they're just going to burn and get crispy. So these should be done. Do you mind handing me that plate over there?
Yes.
All right. So our pancakes are almost ready.
Chef, are you excited about outdoor grilling season?
Oh, I am. I love outdoor grilling. It's one of my favorite things to do. And plus, it keeps your house from getting hot. We all know how hot it gets in the summer. There you go. You have some eggs on there. You get these beautiful. How fast was that? That was literally like in 2 minutes. We have pretty much your eggs and your pancakes all ready to go, and our compote's still kind of boiling on there. We can sprinkle that on top. So as that's going, I'm going to go ahead and get the salmon ready. Do a little salt and pepper.
Chef, is there certain kinds of salmon that you recommend?
I like wild caught. I think Atlantic salmon is really good. It's one of my favorites. I feel like it's nice and buttery. I always prefer wild caught over farm raised. That's just my preference. Okay, so here we have a little salt and pepper on this. I go ahead and put a little bit of oil on here.
Oh, Chef, I'm hungry right now.
Ooh, yeah. You hear that boiling right there? I'm going to move this a little to the outside because I want a nice sear on my salmon, so I'm going to start in the middle. You guys hear that? Right, so here I have some romaine lettuce. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little, or brush a little bit of oil on it. Get some of that. Let me pass me that brush. You didn't know you were signing up for a sous chef position,
Yes,
did you?
yes. Yes, Chef. Yes, Chef.
All right, so just brushing a little oil on my lettuce.
Chef, with the grill being so large, it looks like you could cook for a whole family.
Yeah, actually we could throw on some more pancakes on here too. That's all right now. Are you hungry, or just slightly hungry?
I'm always hungry when you're cooking, Chef.
All right, so I got that going over here. Go ahead and do this here. I'm gonna go ahead and make some more pancakes.
Tell us what you're doing with romaine right there.
So I'm just kind of grilling it, just kind of trying to give it that little char taste. I love a nice like grilled lettuce on there. Get a little warm salad. Let's go ahead and make some more pancakes while that's cooking. There you go. Breakfast and lunch on the Evo Grill. This is what makes it so great. All I need is just a couple more arms.
Well, I have the arms, but I don't know what to do with them, Chef.
Okay, so we got that going.
With the protein on the Evo, you know, how usually on a grill you could kind of understand about, you know, how hot it is. Is that the same temperature that we're talking about for the protein?
Well, it's almost like searing inside your home. If you have like a cast iron pan, it's almost mimicking that same concept. So just like you would inside your home, like about 2-3 minutes on one side, and then flip it over, another 2-3 minutes on that side. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a nice flip. Look at that. Beautiful.
I could say that I've never grilled romaine lettuce on my grill before.
No, you can even just do it on a regular grill too as well. I mean, it works great. Grilled Caesar salads, you can pretty much find them at any steakhouse now. So that's nice and ready. I'm gonna give it a flip. Oh yeah, do you see that nice crust on there?
Oh, yeah. And also you seasoned it with salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper, yeah, just keep it simple. We're gonna have a nice little avocado Caesar dressing on top of the salad with some nice watermelon radish and some pomegranate seeds. How fast was that? That's nice, beautiful blueberry compote. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit on our pancakes. Ooh, I love those colors. It's so beautiful.
Even my kids would love that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, my daughter loves pancakes. She actually had 6 today.
Well, as chef, I assume that you'd make them into Mickey Mouse pancakes for your kids.
Oh no. Keep it nice and tiny and round. All right, so this is ready for me.
Yeah, chef, how are we gonna plate these?
Actually, just gonna throw them on the plate for now. Take that from you. Thank you, sous chef.
You're welcome. Yes, chef.
That looks delicious. I'm starting to get hungry now. So see that beautiful, nice char that you get on there, nice and even cooking. Let's get these pancakes a flip. And the Evo actually comes with other accessories. There's some dome pieces on there. So if you wanted to steam the salmon a little bit, you just go ahead and throw some water on there, cover it with the dome piece, and it comes out beautifully. You still get that really nice crispy skin. Oh, or we could go ahead and put that. No, they're smaller ones, but we could go ahead and actually use that. Let's go ahead. Go ahead and pull this off. Go ahead and cover that for me. Thank you.
So this hood is 304 stainless steel, so it's not corrosive. Get a nice vent right there.
I'm gonna go ahead and let that salmon steam for a little and just get the even cooking in there, almost like mimicking your oven inside your home, how you would sear it on the stove and go ahead and throw it in your oven right after. Same thing we're doing here right now.
So Chef, after we finish with the salmon, how easy is the cleanup for the Evo Grill?
Oh, I like to do is I like to turn it off for a little bit and then let it kind of cool down. Not fully cold because you kind of want that heat to create steam. I go ahead and grab like a little squeeze bottle and squeeze it on there. Just take a towel and just rub it on there, and that easy. Also, you just go ahead and take this grease, you run it down this way, and there's actually 2 little containers that actually collects all the grease on there. Just pull that out and throw it in your dishwasher.
So it sounds like it's actually easier than a regular grill.
Oh yeah, it
because
totally
you can
is.
see it and doesn't get inside.
You have to scrub it down, and if there's any pieces that are on there stuck, like say the salmon, a couple of like skin pieces on there, there's actually a little scraper that comes with your Evo Grill, and just scrape it off. And same thing, pour a little bit of water and wipe it down. Super simple. And then you can throw on some oil after to season it. It's really important to always keep your Evo Grill nice and seasoned. All right, you want to pull that? Thank you.
Oh, Chef, this looks perfect.
I'm gonna have one. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love the skin. And actually, there's a lot more nutrients in the skin. And I just like that nice little crisp. When you have an Evo Grill like that, like a crisp skin, why would you take it off? Just leave it on there. So there we have it. We have a full, pretty much brunch cooked meal in about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, all on the same time. What do you think?
Well, like Chef, I love it. I'm hungry. The best part is not much cleanup as an assistant to you. So just keep in mind that this Evo comes in both cart and built-in versions, and even come in as an indoor unit in gas or electric. Thanks for joining us today, Chef Kimberly. Is there anything else that you want to add?
No, yeah, just come on down to PIRCH. All PIRCHs actually have an in-home chef you can speak to who experience cooking on this every day. So if you have any questions, come on down and ask me all the questions you have.
So just give us a call or go to pirch.com to make an appointment. Thank you for joining us today.